Hi everyone and welcome to another YouTube video by Juren Beauty. Today I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on how to use our eye care kit. So in the kit what you will receive is our lovely Juren eye serum. Perfect. You'll receive one of these great little eye rollers and I'm going to show you how to use that. And you receive a pack of 3 of our Juren Gold Collagen eye masks. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to want to do is when you want to grab your Cosmeceutical eye serum, just one pump on the back of your hand. That's why this product lasts so long. And then you're going to grab your little eye roller. I'm going to be using the rolling part or the circle part here at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to just coat the product on that little ball there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to distribute the product first. So what I like to do is go around the eye. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then again, around the eye as such, okay? And then when we're now starting to massage, what I like to do first is like acupressure points. So I like to start first kind of right in the middle there. I like to hold it for a couple of seconds. I then like to do one just on the corner of the brow. This is really good also for your 11's line. And just give that a little massage in there for a couple of seconds. I then like to go to the point of the brow. Give that a little massage. Then I'm going to grab a little bit more product and I'm going to go underneath the brow bone like that and lifting it as we go. And then to the side. Now, if you ever feel like you need more product, it's just on the back of your hand. You can just dip your little roller back in and then some circular motions there. Okay, so we're going to do that again. Pressure point, top of the brow, underneath the brow, and then to the side. Now we're going to start doing some more flowy motions. Now, when you're doing anything around the eye, you don't want to be pushing anything into the eye. You always want to be moving liquid and lymph and that to the outside, to your lymph node out here, okay? So what I like to do is I like to start up on that brow point and I like to go down, around and up. Down, around and up. And we're going to do that a couple of times. You can start a little bit further over. Perfect. So do that a couple of times. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to work on the top of the brow. So again, start in that top position and you're going to go over and down to that lymph node. Over and down to the lymph node. Now normally, sometimes I like to do it about 10 times. I'm doing it probably a little bit quicker in this video. Okay. And then we're going to work under the eye. So each time I'm just going back and I'm just kind of reapplying product up and over. So start in that kind of pressure point spot, up and over. And you can see I am using a little bit of pressure because I am moving that brow because we do want to move that lymph. So up and over. Now I do have a little bit of mineral foundation on at the moment. As you can see it coming off there, but I just thought it may be easier for you to see actually where I've been. Up and over. Up and over, up and over, and then we're going to do the bottom drain. So we're going to start in that pressure point again, down it. Now we're not going right into the eye, as you can see. And every time I'm coming back to that kind of that temple part. Beautiful. And then we're going to finish off there with a nice little soft massage. We've just done all that draining from the top, under the brow and underneath. Perfect. Now this is the best time then to grab one of those collagen eye masks. I'm going to grab one of those there. Now when these are our new ones which are on a tray, which makes it so much easier, you just pull the silver off the top. Now when you'll get them out, there's a flat side and there's a slightly curved side. So the flat side is the one that you're going to want to apply. So then I'm going to pop that underneath there. So what we like to do here with this little kit is we've popped that serum on, we've massaged that serum in, and then we've applied the Gold Collagen eye mask. So what that's going to do is it's just going to help to push that product deeper into the skin And I like to then just walk around the house with these on. I can leave them on for up to 30 minutes. You'll start to see they'll start to dry out a little bit. So that's pretty much your key to be like, okay, they're done now, and you can take them off. And then if there's any liquid left over, just a little massage with your finger and then you're good to go. I hope that's helped. So just to recap, make sure that you apply the product on the back of your hand, dip your roller in, you can keep reapplying, and then pressure point, pressure point, pressure point underneath as well. And then making sure that when you're actually doing your massage, you're always going from the inside out, inside out. So you can make up your own little routine as well, but they're the key things you need to remember: inside out and inside out. And also, extra tip, if you've got any product left on your hand, always around the lip area. Great, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day.